Boolean Buffet, and today we are going to discuss about another AI called Readdy.ai, and this is something like another AI assistant like Replit or Lovable or Bolt, but comparative to the Replit, Bolt and Lovable, it is lesser features available, but it's really quite useful for the people who wants to create pages or content creation and build projects, or if any person does not have any idea about how to create a project flow or folder structures, or how to create a page, and this Ready AI is really helpful to create a to create or generate a content based on your NLP, your plain English prompt. And there are several features are available in Ready AI. First one, project creation via prompting, like start a project just by describing what you need in a plain English, and Ready interrupts your goals and structures a project around them. And task breakdown and workflow, like it automatically, when you type a prompt, it automatically break down all the task one by one, and actionable task, and based on that it will create a timeline and create the page. And the second next feature is content create generation, like if you want to create a blog post or email and technical document, marketing copy and much more, it will be really useful. And collaboration tools allows sharing and collaborating with the team members or stakeholders in a real time. And custom template and offers a reusable project template, like you can copy the content and like the files, and you can import it into your your IDE, like Cursor or Windsurf or any IDE, whichever you prefer. You can copy the code or download the code from this Ready AI and import it in your IDE tool. And integrations integrate with the productivity tools like Notions and Google Doc and Slack, etc. There are so many pros and cons available, like fast ideation, like kick off detailed project plans in minutes from simple prompt, and user friendly, no coding and no technical knowledge needed for this AI. And AI enhanced productivity, like saves time with writing, editing and task suggestions. And template based, pre-built templates help avoid starting from scratch, and great for teams, like built-in collaboration and sharing options. There are some drawbacks are available, like limited customization for complex workflow, like it may not be suitable for the heavyweight projects, and dependency on AI accuracy, and it may lack deep integration with dev tools. And of course the cost. Ideal use cases are something like content strategy and planning and marketing campaign, and blog and SEO content creation and product launch plan and brainstorming and ideation. So these are all the things available here. So let's quickly explore the features available in the Ready AI. So I already this is the dashboard actually. When you type the Ready.ai, it will create this kind of the dashboard. And when you scroll down, you will be able to see like the video, like this video, it's really useful, how to create how to use this Ready AI with your plain English. So it just describes and demo the features readily available in the Ready AI. And I already subscribed, and by using my one of my Gmail account. And so when you registered, and you will get this page, like the project page. And you can enter your any project name. And the one advantage for this AI is you can choose the code, like basically when you choose the Replit or Bolt or Lovable, it default uses the React based code, but here you can choose the React or Vue. I'm not sure about the and design and element, but so you can choose the React or Vue, the and also the plain HTML. And currently I'll choose the React. And before creating the new projects, I already created one of the projects called Secret Vault. This is the project which I created before creating the video, and this is my secret vault. I just prompted creating the web application, and one password or last pass. There are two browser extensions available in the market, right? So based on that, you can store your credentials and note and files in a secure way. So that I just like the browser extension, I just asked this Ready AI to create a web application. And using this prompt I get it from the chat GPT. So with that I it this Ready AI it just break down all the structures, like the task, overall layout and navigation structure, header section and main content area. So so these are all the breakdown tasks available. And after that it will be it has created a beautiful web application. I'll show this web application so I'll generate the some passwords and unlock the vault. So this is the dashboard. So this is the basic structure and basic what are all the menus, and what how the dashboard will look like, and what are all the features. So everything it's really available based on your one pass and last pass. Based on that, it has created login and credit card menu, secure note and documents. And this is something like the utility to create the password generation and secure dashboard. So it just created the basic page. And the only thing is all the designs are accommodated in a single app page. Let me quickly show you the code. So this is the application which has created by the Ready AI. But when you want to look into that code, when you switch this one, so this is the coding part. And if you want to create any page, you can use this AI. It will create the basic page with the predefined or some basic content. With help of that, you can copy this code or download the code. So this is the code which I downloaded here. So with help of that, you can paste it in your application, and you can do your enhancement, or you can add your functionality on top of this base code. If you need any basic skeleton, then you can definitely use this AI. This is really useful. So whatever you saw in the home page, and all things are available in the um, single file. So this is a single file, and React and FC. And this single file contains all the menu, and the state and state transaction and state management. This is the main vault and sidebar. And so this code is a single file, and you can copy and segregate or separate it in a different files in your application. So based on that, you can get it from the actual code. This is really useful, but you don't get the proper folder structure and proper component file. Then definitely it will not help. But at least you will get the base set of code by using this Ready AI. And with one click you can publish the application. And if you want to okay, let's create the new project. Okay, so web application. And I choose the React and create. And when I click create, and it will create the project. See, I already created a secure vault, and this is a web application. And the first page which I create here is the new page, and here I choose the desktop, and create dashboard for the e-commerce, okay, e-commerce application, and e-commerce application with listed all products and price details. Okay, so this is my late this is my first page, and when I click here, and I think you can choose the okay, let me just click this page. Let's see how the task breakdown here. So this is the task which breakdown based on my prompt, and when I click the generate, it will create the basic template for the first page. And once it's page created, then it will you can copy the code and use it in your application. So in the meantime, we can list out some ideal use cases which I already mentioned, like if you create some market campaign, you can use this. And if you have a application with multiple modules, and you can generate each module in a separate page, so that it will create the base set of code, and you can copy that code and paste it in your application. Okay, let's wait and see. I think it's taking some amount of time to generate all the detailed um, detailed application. I think I just mentioned the e-commerce application, right? So that's why I just break down all the modules: filter and sorting and summary statistics and main content area, and header section and layout, and interactive elements and data presentation and responsive design. Okay, it just created some set of modules in a one file, I believe. Okay, let's wait and see how this will work. So based on that, we'll try to create the another page. Let's see. Okay, okay, I think it has created some page. Yes, so this is the basic page. It's not that much bad, actually. It's just a basic e-commerce application just created, and this is the main. And okay, continue to generate. It's okay. If you want to add the order here, then I can create the order layout here. So that's why I just click here, and it will take my request and create the second page, like creating the order page, I believe. Okay, so the first page which I mentioned about the um, dashboard page, which includes all the product and the price details. And the next page which I click here is the order page. Okay, let's see. The initially it has created a page without the navigation, and if you want to include another page with that specific menu, then you can create a number of pages, I believe. I think this has created free account. I'm not sure about the subscription part here. Okay, let's wait and see the subscription part. Once it's done, we'll look into that subscription. Okay, let's ready. Okay, when you go to here, okay, what is the pricing, I believe? Okay, the free. Okay, you can create a two projects. Okay, that is the free subscription. Okay, okay, then okay, this is the starter plan and the pro plan. Okay, that's a cool feature, because if you have the basic idea of your project, then you can use the free subscription, because it allows to create two projects, right? So that is quite good to explore all the features here. So that is awesome. And blogs and I think this is the new AI which is introduced in the market, because there are so many um, AI is available in the market, right? So this is one of the competitor for the Replit, but I'm not sure this is a competition of Replit, because Replit has so much features available, Replit and Bolt and Lovable. But this is quite good for creating pages. See, this is the order page. How many orders and total revenue, and when you click the product, and it will go to the product page, I believe. Okay, so it will maintain the version. So see here, the here I create the first version, like creating the products, and if I click the order, it won't go to the order page, because this is the first version. And the second version, it has added the order module, like low stocks, and let's click the order, and it's the total order, a total revenue and pending. Okay, and these are all the orders which who which are all the customers and ordered. Okay, and you can, if you want to do the searching part, then I think we need to do the one more okay, let's try to search. I think it won't work. Let's April and the current date. Let's search. I think okay, all status pending. Yes, it's working. Okay, so the search also working, the filtering also working, and processing and completed somewhat. It has done few features. And if you want to create the new order, it won't do that, because this is for creating the new order, you have to do the one more prompt. So based on that, okay, let's go to the mobile application. Let's go to create the new project, and mobile application. Okay, so when you go to the mobile application, and this time also I'll choose the React project. Okay, because I created a new project there, so my limit has been reached, so I was not able to do the another thing. Okay, and okay, so I think I explored a bit. And when you click the publish button, it will ask the domain part and your domain information and the home page, and you can set up the publish. And for the publishing your web application, I think you need to do the upgrade process. Okay, and apart from that, what are all the features are available here? I think there are quite minimal features are only available, not much. And this is something like there are two different versions are available for the order, same as the um, same as the product, because this product has the two different version. The one the This is something like the theme has changed some. Apart from that, there are no other changes. Theme and icon also changes. Okay, okay, this is not bad actually. This is really good, and you will get the actual code. So when you click here, and you will get the order set of module code, and this contains all the mock data. And if you want to include your dynamic data, you can use this code, and you will import it in your IDE. Then you can use this set of code, and of course you can share it to your third party users, like in your friends or collaborative team. And this is something like the export, and for exporting, and you should upgrade this process. And this is something like download and copy. I think I covered all the features here. So if you have time, just try to register it and explore the features, and it's quite good. And this is not that much features available, but if you have a limited amount of if you have no technical knowledge, and you can use this, and you will get the code, because compared to the other AI assistant, you will get this entire code here, and you can use the same design in your application. That is quite good here. Okay, okay, this is cool features. Yes, I can change it to the grid and a list. That is also available here. Okay, that is cool. and in stock and out of stock. Okay, there are some features are available, some features are already implemented. So if you want to add the another correct operations, then you have to do the another prompt here. Okay, this is cool. Okay, okay, then thank you team. I just covered all the thing, and have a try, have a look here, and if you have a time, then I'll come up with a new AI for in my next video. And thank you so much. Bye.